A Senate bill would require high schools to keep track of potentially dangerous students and train teachers to keep our kids safe. But what do local school districts think about it?
Channel 6's Andrew Moore talked to several districts and House Representative Hugh Shine about the bill today to find out how it could affect your kid's school.
My experience is school districts are addressing these concerns.
Senate Bill 11 would require schools to create specific threat assessment teams to assess a child every time they were involved in some kind of incident. Speaking to Temple Superintendent Dr. Ott today, we found out it's not a new concept.
We look at student infractions, we look at any misbehaviors.
But the new bill could expand what they have to focus on. Definitions include fighting, cyberbullying, stalking, and dating violence. And when a district finds an issue, they have to report it and all the actions they take afterwards to the TEA. But it doesn't say how.
If it's some type of separate and aside formal report for each student, that would be absolutely cumbersome.
The bill also requires each team to complete training provided by the Texas School Safety Center. The state would actually add staff to help districts out. Only problem, the bill doesn't say who pays for the training. Representative Hugh Shine says that needs to be addressed.
Things that I immediately see is that there's not any funding associated with this.
The bill would also provide more mental health resources through the state as well, and says a district could refer a student for mental health assessment. But it's not clear who pays for that either. Ott says overall the bill could be good for Texas schools, but only if those questions are answered.
If there is not support in terms of funding for the training and the mental health evaluations and those things, then quite honestly, I think it's a failed piece of legislation.
In Temple, Andrew Moore, Channel 6 News.
Now, the bill passed the Senate on Monday, and it is waiting to be considered by the House. Representatives have less than a month to consider it before the 2019 session ends.